Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how to make your own eucalyptus wreath. It's a very easy tutorial. It took me maybe 20 minutes and it cost me $8. I've been looking for either eucalyptus or olive leaf for several months now, and it's really hard to find, especially olive leaf. You can find it on Etsy if you're wanting a true dried olive leaf plant that actually looks, like real olive leaf. But it's pretty expensive. It's, I want to say $25–30 for a little bushel, and I had no idea how much was in a bushel, and I wasn't ready to buy it without actually seeing it. Eucalyptus was another option, but again, I wanted it to be dried, and I had exhausted my efforts upon all the usual stores. Hobby Lobby, Michael's, all the places. And a couple days ago, I happened to be in Ross, super random, and I came across dried eucalyptus. So I made a wreath. It looks like this. And I wanted it to be about between 14 and 16 inches. This is a 14-inch wreath. I bought this part of it from Hobby Lobby. This was $4.99, but I used a 40% off coupon. And the eucalyptus itself was a huge bag of it, and it was $6.99 at Ross. It's just one of those things that you're just like, oh, this is meant to be. You know what I mean? So the video walks you through on how I did it. I literally attached the leaves. I just kind of started, they have sticks, so I just started kind of sticking them into the actual reed material back here, and then doing some floral wire and, of course, hot glue. So the video will kind of walk you through that. But it is a super easy tutorial. This is for the hood above our stove in our kitchen that we just finished renovating. It was about an 8-week, probably 9-week renovation on our kitchen, which that video is coming soon, kind of like a renovation reality. But I love how this turned out. It looks perfect above the stove. So if you've kind of been looking to make your own wreath, I think this will be really easy for you. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So I'm just going to kind of pop on and off throughout this video to kind of just say a couple of things. This just shows you the actual eucalyptus. By the way, it smells awesome, so that's why I love getting dried things rather than artificial. Those are the hooks I used to hang them on our hood so it didn't damage any of the actual paint or the material the hood's made out of. And then I just started using green floral wire. I used maybe 5 or 6 pieces to actually just attach the eucalyptus to the wreath. And then I also use a little bit of hot glue. You'll see me using some gloves to protect my little fingers. I do normally use thimbles when I do hot glue, but I could not find them. So it was rubber gloves, and I just kind of took apart the branches. They had a pretty stiff end on them, so I honestly just kind of started shoving them into the wreath, which is why I like this kind of wreath. It's really easy to manipulate whatever you're using on top of it to kind of stuff it in there, which just helps kind of give it some added support. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it made sense. You kind of feel like you have the steps now. I've listed all the products I used below so you can find them easily. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!